Hello my dear ones, it's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards. Welcome back to my channel. I received more happy mail, and this one is from Anna White, and I was not expecting this at all, so thank you, Anna. Look at how the envelope sparkles. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but she sent a beautiful sparkly envelope, and inside is this gorgeous card. Oh my gosh, I just love this sweet image. I don't know if it's picking up, but she's added little bits of like diamond dust onto the card. I think it's diamond dust, just from the way it sparkles. Isn't that a sweet image? It says, "There's nothing better than a good friend, except a good friend with chocolate." Isn't that the truth? Oh, that is adorable. Oh, such a sweet image. Oh my goodness, I just love that. Oh my. And inside it says, "Where friends gather, love grows." I love that sentiment. Yeah. Jill, thought I'd send you some love for Galentine's Day. Blessings to you, Anna. Oh, that just warms my heart. Isn't that sweet? And I love her little stamp that she uses on the back that has one of her beloved chickens there. So, oh, that image is just so sweet. This is going to go up on my kitchen windowsill so I can look at it every day. I change things out up there, and I also keep a couple things in my tiered tray that I have on my table. And it just makes me think of all my friends in the morning over my morning cup of whatever I'm having to drink that day. Oh, look what she sent me. Chocolate cherry sunflowers. I was admiring these in her garden last summer, and I know she just got some more seeds. So I'm very excited to try growing these. That'll be fun. My sister Diana grew a ton of different sunflowers over in her garden this past year, and she had just so many different varieties. So we usually end up sharing some seeds, but I've never grown this one, so I'm very excited to try it. That's just adorable. Thank you. Oh, and look at all this Valentine goodness in here. Oh, these are adorable. So littler felt hearts, and she sent me a bunch of them. There's 2 pink ones and 2 red ones, and then some bigger sized ones too. And I've seen so many neat projects that people have made using these and layering them and doing different projects. So those are pretty. Let's see what else is in here. Here's a little envelope or bag, and it's got little hearts all over it. That's adorable. Let's see, and a little heart sticker. Let's see if I can open it. There we go. Let's see what's inside this one. It feels kind of cushy. Let's see if I can get out what's in it. Ooh, it is cushy. Oh, look at pretty. Oh, this is fabric ribbon that she tore, I think. Did you make this? I bet you did, Anna. Oh, how lovely. So she's got a Valentine's one that you can use anytime because, in my opinion, love is the answer to everything. So I use it all year long. But I love doing this. And then this beautiful purple gingham, and she knows how much I love gingham and hearts. So those are just perfect, Anna. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you, dear. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then what do we have here? Oh, look at this. Has got a little one of those little heart clips on here. And then it's tied with a little bow. And again, this is what she just sent me. See that? And I love tying things with fabric ribbon, and I use them on my Christmas tags a lot. So I love that. Just love it. Thank you for sharing that, Anna. You're so sweet, my dear. So let's see what this is. It's in a cute little heart bag, which I can reuse. Let's see. I'll open it over here. There we go. Oh, look at how cute. Oh my goodness, I'm going to wear these tonight. We're expecting a big snowstorm here. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. I have to, here, I want you guys to be able to see them. So let's see if I can get them off without. Where's a scissor when you need it, Jill? When you have kids, scissors are hard to come by sometimes, but I do have a set here. Okay. Let's see what they look like. Aren't they cute? I just had my gingerbread ones on last night that Anna gave me for Christmas. So I'm excited to have a new pair to wear. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Anna. Those are so cute. I don't know where you find all of them. I went to look for some a couple weeks back and I couldn't find any, but I don't go to the store much, so the store I was at was a grocery store and I was just looking in the clothing area to see what they had. So here is some really cute Valentine colored sequins I can use to make some shakers. So look at all the pretty colors in there. There's like a fuchsia pink, red, there's white, and the red, there's like a sparkly red. I don't know if you can tell, but the red is like a glitter red. So that's really pretty. And then in this little bag, there's all sorts of little gems. So there's pink and red and clear. Oh, so pretty. So lots of little goodies and trinkets that I can put on things. What else is in here? And then I'm not sure what this is. Let's see if I can get this open. It's in a cute little cello bag. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest little bag. Look at that. Little heart bag. It's so cute. This says sparkling cranberry hand sanitizer. Oh, yummy. So hand sanitizer that smells good, I bet. Let's see. Does it smell like cranberries? Oh, you guys, I can't get it open. But I bet it does, because that's what it says. And it's sparkling too. It has little glitter in it, I think. Oh, that's so sweet. What an appropriate gift for this year, right, you guys? Oh my goodness. And then in the bottom, aside from the fact that she has this adorable heart Valentine's tissue paper, there's a bunch of little heart things. So there's some little heart felts that are open hearts, and then there's also some that are glitter hearts of different sizes. These are so cute, and it's always nice to have these just to top off a project. So I really like these open ones. I don't think I've ever seen those before. Those are really neat. So, oh, Anna, thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. I am so excited by everything you sent. I have sanitizer, I have cozy socks, and a beautiful ribbon, and all the little goodies to add to projects for Valentine's Day. All these little hearts, and my seeds, and your beautiful card. So everybody, thank you so much for joining me and looking at this beautiful Valentine's mail sent to me by my friend Anna. Anna, you just warm my heart, my dear. And if you guys aren't part of Anna's channel, she has a beautiful blog called Sweet Miss Daisy. She's on Instagram, and it's Anna White, W-I-G-H-T, and it's Sweet Miss Daisy, and you'll find her on YouTube too, and I will link her below. But Anna is a true artist, and she shares beautiful tutorials on her channel where she actually shows you how she's painting her cards or coloring them with either colored pencils or Copics or Shinhan twin markers. I think she uses lots of different mediums, which I'm not that far along in my crafting journey yet, but I'm trying to learn more. But you will really enjoy her channel and seeing her create art right in front of you. So she also shares her garden, her chickens, just various pursuits that she has. Anyway, she got some beautiful quail paper from Tuesday morning the other day, and my in-laws have quail where they live, and it's a beautiful paper. I like it. So go check out her channel. You'll enjoy your visits there, and I appreciate you visiting me. Have a good night, and stay safe, stay warm, and choose joy. All right, bye now.